Good evening, Medicos. After a long time, myself Dr. Krishneshwari and our channel Medical Students Corner is back. So, due to some issues, we couldn't continue our sessions for the past 2 months, and hereafter we will have great days with our session. So, in this session, today we will have a small discussion about ECG paper. So, we were discussing about ECG, about the normal anatomy of heart, about the circulation of heart, about the leads of ECG and all. Today we will have a short session on ECG paper. So, what is the importance of ECG paper is? ECG paper is very important with regard to the waves. So, we should know about the construction of the ECG paper, we should know about the speed of the ECG paper in order to read correctly an ECG. So, this is a short session on ECG paper and we will go directly to the session. So, everybody know that there are some columns, is it not? There are some squares, there are some large squares, there are some small squares in the ECG paper. And we will go only the important things regarding the ECG paper. Okay, so in the ECG machine, the ECG paper runs at a speed of 25 millimeter per second. Okay, it runs at a speed of 25 millimeter per second, which is very important. Okay, you don't forget this. So, in the ECG machine, ECG paper runs at a speed of 25 millimeter per second. Okay, so regarding the boxes, so in ECG paper we used to see so many large boxes as well as small boxes, is it not? So the large boxes will be like this, is it not? It will be arranged like this in the ECG paper. It will be like this. Okay, so regarding this large squares, this large square corresponds for 5 millimeter. This large square corresponds for 5 millimeter. So, what happens is, in 1 second, the ECG paper will be running at a speed of 25 millimeter per second, is it not? So, this large square corresponds for 5 millimeter, and in 1 second, this ECG paper covers how many large squares? 5 large squares. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, 5 into 5 is 25. You understand? So, this 1 second, in 1 second, this ECG paper will be covered for about 5 large squares. It will be, this ECG machine will be covering 5 large squares with the ECG paper. You understand? Clear? So, when we are seeing this large square, we will see. So, inside the large square, there will be small squares. Okay, small squares. So, there will be 5 small squares in a large square. You understand? So, it will be like this. It will be like this. You understand? So, 1 large square corresponds for 5 millimeter. So, this ECG paper or ECG machine will be covering 5 large squares in a second, and inside the large squares there will be small squares. So, there will be column wise there will be 5, and also in row wise there will be 5 small squares inside a large square. So, correspondingly, if this measures 5 millimeter, then 1 small square measures 1 millimeter. Understand? 1 small square corresponds to 1 millimeter, and 1 large square, there will be 5 small squares, and 1 large square corresponds for about 5 millimeter. Okay, you understand? So, this is regarding the distance the ECG machine covers, or the distance of a large square and the distance of a small square. You understand now? Now, we will see the time. Okay, so in 1 second it will be covering 25 millimeter, that is 5 small squares. Okay, so what about in 1 minute? In 1 minute what happens? in 1 second it is covering 25, is it not? So there is 60 seconds, is it not? So what happens is in 1 minute it will be covering 300 large squares. Okay, in 1 minute it will be covering 300 large squares. Very important in relation to heart rate, rhythm, etc. while reading ECG. You just understand this. In 1 second it will be covering 5 large squares, and in 1 minute it will be covering 300 large squares. Very simple. 1 second is equal to 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, is it not? So in 1 second it will be covering 5 large squares. So in 60 seconds it will be covering 60 into 5 is equal to 300 large squares. Understand? It will be covering 300 large squares. Then about the time. So in order to cover a large square, it will be taking 0.2 seconds. Understand? 0.2 seconds. Understand? 0.2 seconds. So it will be covering 25 millimeter in 1 second. So 25 millimeter means 5 large squares. So what happens in it takes 0.2 seconds to cover a large square. You understand? A single large square, and 0.2 seconds correspond to 200 milliseconds. 200 milliseconds. You understand? That is, one large square it takes 0.2 seconds. One large square is equal to 5 small squares. Is it not? So for covering a small square, how many it takes? It takes 0.04 seconds. That is equal to 40 milliseconds. Understand? Understand? So this is the importance of ECG paper. So while reading about different waves, different complexes and all, what we will be seeing is, we will be saying no, QRS complex is large, QRS complex is shortened and all. We will be reading like this. We will be searching for the squares. We will be calculating we will be counting the squares, and we will be seeing if there is any pathology. You understand? So that is the importance of the ECG paper. So by this class, I hope that you have understand about ECG paper, and if there is any doubt, you are free to ask me. So have a great day. Thank you so much.